Shopify does it again, folks. In today's video, we're going to be covering the latest Shopify update, which literally it feels like every day these guys are dropping a new update. So we're probably going to be making these videos daily at this rate. Now, this update though is actually super important and I'm super hyped for it. So the update here by Susan Wojcicki, whatever, I don't know how to say her name. She's the CEO of YouTube, the platform that you all watch my videos on. Unless you're not subscribed, which you should subscribe right now. I'll give you like a second. All right. Anyways, so they just announced today a partnership with Shopify in which creators can now connect their stores to YouTube and tag products in their videos and live streams. This is going to be a massive, massive change. I've seen something like this done already for some other print-on-demand solutions, but never with Shopify. So this basically opens up the world of e-commerce to creators on YouTube. So really genius move on Shopify's part, obviously, because now creator brands are gonna have so much more power and are gonna be able to feature their products in the content that they make without having to run extra promotions and stuff like that. So let's read a little bit more about this because we've been talking about this in the tier 2 Discord chat for Netsphere here, but this is the first time that I'm actually reading into it. I thought I'd do it with you guys so that you can see the live reaction here. But let's read about it here. So every day people come to YouTube to shop. This includes me, a self-proclaimed sports fanatic. I use YouTube to hear from players, experts, and my fellow fans and decide which new hat or jersey is the next fun purchase to help me represent my team. We know that creators and viewers have a unique relationship, and it's this trust between them that helps inform what viewers ultimately buy. In fact, according to a study we ran in partnership with Publicis and TalkShop, 89% of viewers agree that YouTube creators give recommendations they can trust. So it's important that everything that we're working on in YouTube Shopping is in support of ensuring a seamless viewer and creator experience. Just this year, we've made live events from Brazil's biggest soccer tournament, Paulistão, to YouTube's second annual beauty festival to Coachella, completely shoppable for viewers. We've also reimagined product launches, hosting the first ever Shopping on Shorts challenge with Glossier to exclusively launch their #1 pencil eyeliner. So apparently this will be something available for YouTube Shorts as well, which blows my mind because YouTube Shorts is an amazing organic strategy that you can use for your brand. It's similar to TikTok, similar to Instagram Reels. So now you'll be able to recycle that content across multiple platforms and be able to tag your products in your videos. Insane. And we've expanded access to shopping to even more creators and added more types of products that can be tagged in a video so viewers can shop even more. But we know that shopping inspiration can happen anywhere. So starting next week, we'll be introducing a new shopping destination in the Explore tab that will feature shoppable, relevant content for viewers in the US, Brazil, and India, with additional countries to roll out later this year. So let's take a look here.
What makes onesie in the middle or keyhole stretchy adjustly? I think this is my favorite onesie to lengthen your silhouette. Oh, I love it so much. Do you love it? Would you wear it?
So the way that you're going to be able to do this is just by going to YouTube channel monetization here and then adding the Google sales channel on your store. Now to you, this might sound like a small change, right? I mean, if you're just a dropshipping store, this may not be super relevant, but obviously a lot of people that watch my channel are just e-commerce in general. And I'm trying to change the way that we perceive the e-commerce world from just dropshipping to commerce online as a whole, because whether you sell courses, whether you sell merch, whether you sell anything, you are a part of e-commerce, and Shopify is leading the charge in this space. However, even for a dropshipping store, this is huge because think about it. Organic TikTok for dropshipping has already been proven to work really well. So now you can actually add YouTube Shorts as another sales channel, or maybe not even Shorts. Maybe you just start creating content for your products in general, and now you'll be able to monetize through your actual brand as well, not just through YouTube monetization. So I'm personally really excited about this. I'm looking forward to seeing how my team and I can apply this to our channel. And obviously I'm going to be sharing all of that with you guys because we're a family over here. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so right now. We're really trying to grow the community. We're really trying to be the best e-com community in the world. But with that said, quick update today. I needed to share this. I needed to go through it with you just to really understand how this is going to affect not only Shopify store owners, but creators as well, which is really cool to see them coming together even more now. That's about it. See you guys in my next video. Peace.